So we're going to start with the rougher. And again, I want to be at or slightly below center. I've marked it right there. Make sure that your tool rest is close enough that it doesn't hit. Turn your handbrake first. Now we'll start this guy up. Speed-wise, I've got it at about 1800. All right, just lightly knock this in here, just like that. Now again, my definition of a light and yours are two different things. This is not light because I'm stopping it, okay? If it stops like that, I probably don't have enough pressure from the tailstock. Let me tighten that up a little bit more. And so now, just lightly going this one direction and then the other. And I want to make sure that the bevel is touching against it like that. To get this round. I have my thumb pressing against it to hold it down so it doesn't go jumping all over. And I want to get it nice and round, and then I'll switch over to my spear. So you can also tell, okay, I don't hear any roughing, I don't hear any pounding or anything, so I know I'm round on this. And so turn this off and you can see it. I'm round.